Okay, this is the fire alarm pole station that is in my school. And this one has a brake rod, so if someone pulls it without a real fire, the brake rod will come off and will shatter everywhere around the floor. And then they'll have evidence that someone pulled the fire alarm because the brake rod will come off. Yeah. When you pull this pole station, the brake rod will come off and shatter all over the floor, and then you have evidence that someone pulled the fire alarm. And that person will get caught. Because the brake rod will come off. And break. Yeah, this is why this pole station is good to have in a school with the brake rod installed, so it would help prevent false alarms and provide evidence that someone pulled the alarm as a joke or prank, because this will fall off. And on this thing it says pull in case of fire instead of just pull down. So when you pull this thing, this brake rod will come off and it will shatter all over the floor. By the way, when I was in elementary school, some kids pulled the fire alarm and it was this exact pole station right here. And they caused the brake rod to shatter all over the floor. And then they have evidence that someone pulled the fire alarm. This is why these pole stations are common in a lot of schools. Because this is what alarm they're putting in schools, this company. I mean, and this pole station is connected to the Integrity, the Genesis, and other Edwards signaling technology devices. And it can fit inside of the stopper cover. Of course, in my school, the stopper covers are over this type of pole station. Some pole stations like this in my school have the brake rods and some don't. So when you pull this brake rod will break. And then you have evidence that someone pulled the fire alarm. because the glass would be shattered all over the place. Bye.